father basically started the farm in 1972, 73. He had off-farm employment, then he gradually growed it big enough that he could quit his off-farm job.
We ain't got rich by no means. We like to put every penny we had back into the farm through the years, but we own some land now.
My daddy's he's the hardest working man I know. Always has been. He don't know when to quit. I reckon he's my hero. He's taught me everything I know. Most everything we can grow, we can sell at our feed store. If we can't sell it, we usually don't grow it. We cut about 800 acres of hay. We farm about 250 acres of corn, and we do some custom farming for other people. We have customers we've had for over 30 years. One of our biggest customers is a carriage company in downtown Charleston. The guy running the carriage company now, me and him basically the same age, got to be good friends. His helper call me now or text me and just tell me, we need a load of hay at Thursday morning, can you be here? And we do it. That's what we do. We start our process in January with the right rain or irrigation. We usually can start cutting that hay mid-May to the 1st of June. If we cut on Monday, we let it dry down Tuesday. Wednesday, we'll rake it, bale it, and get it to the barn. Well, New Holland's definitely part of our family. As far as I'm concerned, nobody else makes hay equipment. The first hay baler Daddy ever bought was New Holland. Honestly, when it comes to buying a new piece of hay equipment, we don't go price the competitor. We call New Holland and we're happy with what they do for us.
New Holland's always been great. Ever since I can remember, we've ran New Holland equipment, balers and rakes and cutters. They seem to give you more support than any of the other companies. If you have a problem, they'll send somebody to fix it. That's what we've always loved about them, is the service that we get out of them.
As far as I'm concerned, nobody else makes hay equipment.